Hmm. It's October, and the clock's not moving. Hmm. I think the battery is dead. Oh dear, what to do? Yeah, the sweep hand is not moving. It is not a tick-tock sweep, it's a continuous movement, so it doesn't make any noise to begin with. So I guess we'll change the battery. Oh dear. Be right back. So now I have my Sunbeam Garfield clock down from its perch, and we'll change the battery in it. I've had this clock for well over 30 years. I was a little kid when I got this thing, and it's so old it's actually on its third clock motor. Uh, it just happens I've had a bad strain of clock motors in this thing. So let's change the battery in it. I did retain the original battery mount for this thing, so I have a redundant system. I have two AA batteries to run my clock. So once upon a time, one battery ran the clock and the other battery ran the donger. So this was actually an alarm clock at one point, but that's long unneeded. So we'll just put the new batteries in and set the time. So once upon a time you were able to set the clock with a knob here, but since that clock motor is long gone, I have a different method to set the time. So for my clock, I actually take the plastic bezel off, and then tip the whole clock over so the glass comes out. Real glass, not plastic. And we'll set the time. So it's 2:38 in the afternoon, and it's almost time to set the clocks back, so it's going to be 1:38. And then we'll just zip the old donger here to 12 o'clock. And that is how I set the time on my Garfield clock. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Not so much drama with this clock battery change. We'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.